Standard 9, Subject Science and Technology. Lesson number 13, Carbon, an important element. Let us see about the carbon. The element carbon is available abundantly in the nature and occurs in the free as well as in the combined state. Now, let us study the properties of the non-metallic element carbon. The symbol of the carbon is C. Atomic number 6. Atomic mass of the carbon is 12 and electronic configuration 2, 4 and its valency 4, and carbon is a non-metallic element. Now let us see about what is a compound and how are compound formed. Compounds obtained directly or indirectly from plants and animals are called organic compounds, and compounds obtained from minerals are called inorganic compounds. All the organic compounds contain the carbon. Carbon is the main element even in the cellular DNA and RNA that transfer the heredity characteristics from one generation to the next generation. Now let us see about the occurrence of carbon. The name carbon is derived from the Latin word carbo, which meaning coal. Carbon is found in the nature in free as well as compound state. Carbon in the free state is found as diamond and graphite, and in the combined state it is found in the following compounds: as carbon dioxide, and in the form of the carbonates such as calcium carbonate, marble, calamine, etc. Fossil fuel: coal, petroleum, natural gas. Carbonaceous nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and natural fibers: cotton, wool, and silk. Diamond. Diamond is made up of the carbon and it is the allotropes of the carbon. Now see about the allotropy. Some elements occur in the nature in more than one form. The chemical properties of these different forms are the same, but their physical properties are the different. This property of element is called allotropy. Now let us see about the structure of diamond. In diamond, every carbon atom is bonded to 4 neighboring atoms by covalent bond. Therefore, diamond has a tetragonal 3-dimensional structure which makes it very hard. Now let us see about the properties of diamond. Brilliant and pure diamond is the hardest natural substances. The density of the diamond is 3.5 gram per centimeter cube, and the melting point of the diamond is 3500 degrees Celsius. When diamond is heated at 800 degrees Celsius in the presence of oxygen, carbon dioxide given away. Diamond does not dissolve in any solvent. Acids, bases have no effect on diamond. Diamond is a bad conductor of electricity as it does not have the free electrons. Now let us see the uses of diamond. Diamonds are used in glass cutting and rock drilling machine. Diamonds are used in ornaments. Diamond knives are used in the eye surgery, and diamond dust is used for the polishing other diamonds. Diamond is used to make a windows, giving protection from the radiation in the space and in artificial satellite. Now let us see about the graphite. Graphite is also made up of the carbon. It is also allotropes of the carbon. Graphite is found in the natural state in the Russia, New Zealand, America, and India. The lead used in the pencil is made by the mixing graphite with clay. This process was discovered by Nicolas Jacques Conte in 1795. Let us see about the structure of graphite. Every carbon atom in graphite is bonded to 3 other carbon atoms in such a way that a hexagonal layer structure is formed. A graphite crystal is made of many sheets or layer of the carbon atoms. These layers slip over each other on applying pressure. One layer of the graphite is called graphene. Let us see the properties of graphite. Graphite found in the nature in black, soft, brittle and slippery. Inside each layer of the graphite, free electrons moves continuously within the entire layer. That's why graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Due to the layered structure, graphite can be used for writing on paper. Graphite does not dissolve in most solvent. Now see the uses of graphite. Graphite is used for making the lubricants. It is also used for making the carbon electrodes. Graphite is used in the pencils for writing, and it is used in the paints and polish. Graphite is used in the arc lamp, which give a very bright light. Thank you.